They say the internet is forever, but forever can be fragile because behind every click, every like, every late night search, there is a shadow, a trace, a fingerprint you didn't even know you left. Privacy, not a luxury, not an add on, but a right, a shield that protects who we are, who we talk to, what we believe. Yet, how easily we give it away, trading names for free Wi Fi, trading faces for filters, trading thoughts of 30 seconds of scrolling pleasure. And somewhere, a hacker sharpens their code. A company builds a profile. A stranger learns your mother's maiden name. Security does not just firewalls and passwords. It's the gate we build, the lock we choose, the silence we guard when no one is looking. Because a data breach is not just a number leaking. It is a heart exposed, a family endangered, a society controlled. Think of it. One stolen identity, one hacked bank account, one medical record in the wrong hands. That's not just information, that's you. Broken down into lines of code, both and sold on the digital black market. But hear me, we are not powerless. We are not voiceless. We are not just users. We are guardians. Guardians when we choose a strong password over easy ones. Guardians when we update, encrypt, protect. Guardians when we refuse to click that suspicious link. When we say no to apps that ask for too much. And society rises or fails. Society rises or falls on how it treats its data, on how it depends the dignity of digital lives. So let us speak loudly, fiercely, clearly. Privacy is not paranoia. Security is not fear. They are respect. They are responsibility. They are freedom. In this world of whispers in the wires, of, of endless screens and silent servers, we must remember the future is not built only on code. It is built on trust. And trust lives where privacy is honored. Where security is kept. So protect it. Defend it. Be the guardian of your digital self. Because your data, your story, your life, they are worth securing. Reflection 5 to 7 sentences. My poem raises awareness about privacy and security by showing how deeply personal data is connected to our identity and how easily it can be misused if not protected. By framing privacy as a right and security as a shared responsibility, it encourages audiences to think critically about their online habits and the choices they make every day. The performance also highlights real-life risks such as hacking and identity theft to make the message relatable and urgent. At the same time, it empowers listeners by reminding them that they have the ability to protect themselves through simple, responsible IT practices. I believe this piece can inspire individuals to treat privacy and security not as technical jargon, but as human values that safeguard trust and freedom. If audiences take this to heart, they may become more cautious, more responsible, and more proactive in defending both their personal data and the collective safety of society.